Welcome. If you've ever wanted to clean up your WhatsApp chats on your computer without leaving the group, this guide is exactly what you need. WhatsApp recently introduced an easier way to clear messages inside group chats, and today I'll walk you through the simple steps so you can keep your conversations organized and clutter-free. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once the app is open, take a moment to find the group chat you want to clear. Scroll through your recent conversations until you spot it. When you've located the group, place your cursor over the chat. Now, right-click on it. A small menu will appear with different options for you to choose from. Look carefully and you'll see the option that says Clear Messages. This is exactly what you need to select in order to remove all the chat content while keeping the group itself intact. After clicking on Clear Messages, WhatsApp will ask you to confirm this step. This confirmation is important because once you clear the messages, they won't be accessible anymore. So double-check that you've chosen the right group before continuing. When you're confident, go ahead and confirm the action. In just a moment, the group chat will be completely cleared on your end. The group itself will remain active. You'll stay a member, and you'll still be able to send and receive new messages without any issue. This is a perfect way to tidy things up without leaving the group or losing your connection with everyone inside it. That's it. 5 quick steps and your group messages are gone, leaving you with a clean and fresh chat window. It's a handy feature if you want to reduce clutter, improve focus, or simply give your app a fresh start. With this update, WhatsApp has made it much simpler to manage your chats directly on your computer. So the next time your group conversations get too crowded, you know exactly how to clear them out in a couple of clicks.